In the silence of a new dawn, a revolution awakens. Imagine a world where the growl of combustion engines fades and is replaced by the pulse of power, silent, swift, electrifying. The Lotus Theory one is more than a car. It is a symphony, a masterpiece of engineering. Sculpted by the hands of visionaries, crafted to not merely exist, but to dominate the roads ahead. Every line, every curve, every whisper of wind, carved with precision, perfection, and motion. A cockpit that beckons to the future, a minimalism redefined, pure elegance. The past fades and in its place, a panoramic display that reaches beyond limits. Your interface, your control, a car that listens, that moves with you, through you. Press the ignition, feel the silence, but know this silence is merely the calm before the storm. The roar of engines is gone. In its place is something far greater, something alive, something electric. 986 horsepower, unchained, not with a scream, but with a surge of untamed power. Your body pressed into the seat as the Theory One devours the road, its electrons coursing through, unstoppable, undeniable. The Theory One does not drive, it dances. Every turn, every curve is a waltz of precision. The road becomes an extension of your will, the car, your partner. Together, you perform a ballet of technology and instinct. But this is not about raw power alone. Control is king. Advanced driver assistance quietly watches over you, a guardian that stands by. Invisible until you need it. The open road, no longer bound by fuel. Range anxiety, a relic of the past. 300 miles of pure freedom on a single charge. No gas stations, no limits, just the road and your desire to explore. Imagine spontaneous journeys, the freedom to roam, the wind in your face, and the power beneath your fingertips. But the Lotus Theory One is not just the future of performance. It is a promise to our world. A commitment to a cleaner tomorrow, recycled materials, recyclable batteries. A symphony not only of power, but of purpose. This is the balance of exhilaration and responsibility, where adrenaline and sustainability exist as one. A future forged in the fires of innovation. A future not only of electric power, but of intelligence. Augmented reality at your fingertips. Directions projected before you. A digital horizon guiding your way. This is not just a car. It is a part of your digital world. Learning, adapting, growing with you. The car anticipates your needs, adjusts, tailors itself to your every desire. Technology not for distraction, but for enhancing the pure, unbridled thrill of driving. This is more than a car. This is the dawn of a new era. The Lotus Theory One is the spark that ignites the electric revolution, a clarion call to those who dare to dream, to those who crave power and responsibility intertwined. This is the future of driving. The question is, are you ready to join the symphony? Lotus Theory One. The revolution begins.